Organizations are waking up to the fact that all media rots. Every kind of media, from books to videotapes to hard drives, deteriorates over time, resulting in information loss. The USC Libraries digitization, preservation, and discovery services are available to everyone to help keep their content accessible, from movie studios and museums to individual researchers and family historians.
The USC Libraries digitizes a wide variety of still and motion content and adheres to the latest federal guidelines and standards for preservation. Our state-of-the-art lab boasts cutting-edge technology to digitize books, paper documents, and photographs, and we have specialized facilities for delicate manuscripts, rare photographs, and 3D artifacts. We also have facilities to handle common film, video, and audio formats, which we can transcode into many different file types. Our professional staff are equipped to handle collections of any size, from a family scrapbook to an archive with multiple pallets of videotapes. We offer services to describe, catalog, and index materials to enable efficient searchability and findability of digital collections, and can import and export associated XML with all files. Every file we digitize goes through our proprietary file review process, which generates detailed quality assurance data.
When it comes time to preserve your data, our SOC 2 certified digital repository has over 110 petabytes of data distributed globally, and it's backed by one of the nation's most powerful academic supercomputers. Our system constantly monitors every digital file in our repository, and if we see that any piece of media has any degradation, we replace that media and copy the file from one of our many backups. This ensures that data is always accurately preserved and the valuable collections entrusted to us can always be accessed. Our clients can access their collections through our internally developed website, the Digital Repository Management System. This powerful tool can be used for team-based indexing, metadata creation, and collection management.
For millennia, face-to-face storytelling has been at the heart of human connection. And through our new service, Interactive Interviews, we're creating engaging opportunities for people to have real-time conversations with important figures to preserve their experiences and wisdom forever. After recording multi-day long interviews, our website and exhibits enable anyone in the world to talk to interviewees through pre-recorded video answers, making it feel like they were right in front of users.
University researchers have a vast array of wisdom and data that needs to be preserved responsibly. We offer a full suite of data management services to help them meet the new requirements for data preservation, access, and security by the National Institutes of Health, the National Science Foundation, and other federal agencies.
Whether you are a family trying to preserve your home movies or a museum looking to digitize your collections for online access, the USC Libraries offers best-in-class solutions for your media digitization, digital preservation, interactive interviews, or data management needs.